In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clients with proposals, contracts, and invoices on Squarespace. We'll walk through using Squarespace's built-in tools to take a client from first contact to paid invoice all in one place. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for products and services or the invoicing tab. If you see an option to enable these features, switch them on. Availability can vary by plan and location, so make sure your account supports invoicing before moving forward. Before creating any documents, set yourself up for smooth client intake. On your site, add a form block to collect project details, preferences, timelines, and budget ranges. Clear questions upfront save time later and help you draft accurate proposals. Keep the form concise but thorough, and make sure you're capturing the client's name and email so you can link submissions to projects. Next, head to the Projects panel on your dashboard and create a new project. Give it a descriptive name so it's easy to find. Add your client by selecting them from recent form submissions, or enter their contact info manually. Keeping this contact record tidy ensures proposals, contracts, and invoices all point to the same client profile. Before you send an invoice, confirm that your site is connected to a payment processor such as Squarespace Payments. This is what allows clients to pay directly from the invoice. Double check your business details, currency, and any tax settings so totals are calculated correctly. Inside your project, create the documents you need: proposals, contracts, or estimates. Use the Styles panel to align the look and feel with your brand. Adjust fonts, colors, and layout, and sync your site's fonts with a click for consistency. Templates are your friend here. Start with a professional layout, add your scope, timeline, and deliverables, and include any necessary legal language. If a format works well, duplicate it to save time on future projects. For legal text, consider consulting a professional so your terms are accurate and enforceable. When you're ready to bill, create an invoice within the project. Choose your client, add each service or product as a line item with quantities and unit costs, and apply discounts or sales tax where needed. Set a clear due date. For ongoing work, turn on recurring invoices to automate billing. Style the invoice to match your brand, and add a brief memo with friendly context or payment instructions. You can send it right away or schedule it for later. Your client will receive an email with a secure Pay Now link. Back in the projects panel, monitor invoice status, sent, viewed, paid, or overdue, so you always know what needs attention. And that's it, a streamlined professional workflow from intake to payment, all inside Squarespace.